While I wait for my first video to upload, I thought I might add a part 2 to this just to explain a little bit about Minitab, again for those that missed the workshop. I said in the first video that this spreadsheet is like a spreadsheet in Excel. I mean that very loosely, of course. We have rows and columns and we have cells that we can put information into. When you're working with Minitab, you'll find it doesn't work exactly like Excel, and you will do more things via the menu items rather than typing formulas directly into the cells. So important parts about Minitab is that each column here can have a name, and it's a good idea to use these because anytime you want to use any of the functions in Minitab, all these column names will pop up automatically and you can double click on them rather than typing stuff in. Above this we have C1, C2, C3 standing for column 1, column 2, column 3, and where there's a T that means it's a text column. If we have text in a column, you can only do text things with it. If we have numbers in a column and Minitab knows it's a number, then you can do numerical things with it. If you have something that is as a number like age and you want it to be categorical and change it into a text column, you can simply change the data type to text under the data column, change data type numeric to text. So if I go from age to text age, that will just make a copy of my column of ages, and now it's a text variable. So if I wanted to choose a numerical summary, I could do it with this column. If I wanted to do a tally or something that involved categorical variables or text, I can do it with this one. Now really, if we were converting age into categories, we probably wouldn't use 21, 4, 26, 21, etc. We might want to group them. We might group them into children, teenagers, adults, older adults. We might specify the age range. So in that case, rather than just changing the data type, we might actually want to recode the data, and that's where we would go down to code. And we had a numeric one with age, and we want to go to text. We can code the data from the column age. We can store it in text age. If the original value was, let's say, 0 to 18, the new value, we could simply put 0 to 18, and now Minitab will read that as a text variable. We could also put a label in, child. I don't know how 18-year-olds would like to be called children. You could put your own group in there. You could do 0 to 12 is child and 12 to 18 is teenage or adolescent or something like that. So we'll just do that one group and see what it looks like. And you'll see it's gone through here. It hasn't done anything with 21 because I didn't tell it what to do. But with the person that was aged 4, it's now coded it as a child. And you can scroll down to see that it's done the right thing with each of the groups if you want to. So you can go back and follow the prac exercise for week 1 and recode each of these into groups and just checking you're getting out a text column and they're all gone into the right category.